Step number 1 in outlining text in Photoshop is to, of course, first create your text in your canvas. You can do this by accessing your type tool by pressing T, clicking on your canvas, and then you'll end up with a typed layer like this after you've typed something out. Now from here, there's no special font or setting within any of the text settings to create an outline. Instead, we need to use something called Layer Styles, which is accessible by double-clicking on the empty area of your text layer. So double clicking here will access layer styles. Now what we want to do is use this stroke setting, and this is going to add an outline to either the outside of your text, the inside of your text, or to the center. So it's equally spreading on the outer and inner edge of your text. In this case, I'll set it to outside, but we of course have the problem that we still see the inside of the text, the original color. So to remove this, all we need to do is go to our blending options. Then within the advanced blending, we'll change the fill opacity to 0%. This removes the original layer's visibility while keeping all of the visibility from adjustments made within this panel, such as the stroke. From here, we can of course change the size and things like that of the outline. And if we wanted to add additional colors to the text outline, we can actually add additional strokes. Just click on this plus icon to create a new stroke. Then I'll click on that underlying one. Change the position to, let's say, inside. So now we have one on the outside, one on the inside. And then we can change the color to something different. Let's go and choose a nice blue here. Click OK, and you get the idea of how we could potentially go and use this to customize our outline text a little bit more. Now we can of course also change the fill type of our outlines between color, gradients, and patterns depending on what you're into, but regardless of what you choose, it all is the same. Clicking OK with this method, now if we wanted to change this text in any way, just highlighting it like so while my type tool is active, I can type something different and it's always going to have that exact same style as long as these effects are applied. But if you wanted to make this even easier for yourself in the future, what you can do after you've set a specific outline style that you like, you can save it as a preset so you can access it again in the future. To do this, I'll re-access layer styles by double clicking in the empty area of the type layer and then confirming that the effects that I want to keep and reuse are enabled, which in this case are my 2 strokes. I'll then go up to the styles and I can go to new style. So clicking on this, I'll call this to stroke. I'll make sure these 2 settings are enabled and click OK. This will now create a new effect that I can automatically apply to any type layer in the future. For example, I'll press cancel here, access the type tool, click somewhere else, and example text like so. Now to apply the exact same effect, what I could just do is double click on that new type layer, go to my styles, click on that one that I just saved, and now we have the exact same outline effect without having to deal with any of the other settings. Now, if you're just getting started in Photoshop and feel overwhelmed by how many different settings and little tricks like this that there are in the program, then make sure to download my free Photoshop Pro ebook down in the description or pinned comment below, breaking down the most important skills that you should focus on first to feel confident in Photoshop. Again, it's totally free in the description below. Now, if you're continuing to work with text in Photoshop, there are a handful of very useful skills that will make working with text that much easier. I break them all down right here so you can get more from the type tool in your next project. Again, just click the video right here to watch that, and I hope to see you there next.